On-farm food safety is about identifying the potential for food safety risks on your farm and implementing best practices to reduce those risks. Food safety workshops are organized and delivered locally by the Ontario Soil and Crop Improvement Association. Workshop leader Robin Brown explains why it's an important first step in developing a food safety program.
The Food Safety Workshop is a really unique opportunity for farmers to come together, sit down in a setting where we're comfortable, and talk about how we can produce our farm products in a safe way. We really work hard on helping you to develop a good, solid food safety culture on your farm. It starts with you helping you to identify risks associated with fresh produce, and then we take the next step farther in helping you to learn about best management practices that will ultimately help you reduce those risks on farm.
Brown explains that the two-day workshop allows farmers to identify the most effective food safety procedures and protocols for their farm.
It's an opportunity for like-minded farmers to come together, have some fun, have some discussions. We have group work, we have individual work time. We work through this great binder that gives you some fantastic tools around adopting good agricultural practices. But really, it's about building that food safety culture on farm. In the binder, we have a number of topics ranging from worker practices and cross-contamination, some pest control, right through to soil amendments and how you're going to use your irrigation water on farm. Really, what we want to do is help farmers learn their best practical, economical ways to address food safety on farm so that we can be responsible in that food safety culture.
Amy and Pat Kitchen operate Side Road Farm near Walters Falls, Ontario. The kitchens run a mixed operation, producing market garden vegetables and pastured livestock for farmers markets, local restaurants, and a community shared agricultural program. They're committed to building a strong on-farm food safety program.
Pat and I both went to the workshop together, and up until this point, we have definitely taken food safety very seriously on our farm, but we had never really done any formal training or education on the topic. So it was really eye-opening learning about all the risks that are potentially present on a farm like ours. And then as well, we learned a lot about the best management practices that we can implement on our farm fairly simply to reduce those risks.
Amy says the workshop highlighted the need for an action plan that engages staff and manages the food safety risks associated with their mixed farming operation.
So the biggest change for us as an operation was just to get a lot more formal about our policies and procedures with regards to food safety. When we came back from the workshop, we sat down and we wrote a plan that we could then take to our staff and show them, this is exactly the procedures that we expect you to follow. And particularly, we thought this was important because we do have livestock and fresh produce. So we really needed to have those procedures in place to avoid any cross-contamination in those areas.
The kitchens say producing safe, healthy food is a huge responsibility. They believe the Food Safety Workshop has given them the tools to help meet their customers' food safety expectations.
Well, I highly recommend it. I learned a lot in the course, and it's knowledge that's going to last for the rest of my farming career. And I think it's really important that all of us producers take food safety very seriously, both in what we say and also what we're doing on our farm. And the Food Safety Workshop is really going to help you create that culture of food safety for your farm operation.
Food safety workshops are most relevant to fresh fruit and vegetable producers who have no formal food safety program in place. The Ontario Soil and Crop Improvement Association offers a variety of free workshops and webinars to help take your farm's profitability, productivity, and sustainability to the next level. To find a food safety workshop near you, visit ontariosoilcrop.org.